What we're working on today is going to be our rear diffuser. And as you can see, it's just boring. It's just gray and And what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this bad boy right here. I think it looks a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. It's gonna give the car a lot more pop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this guy off. We're gonna replace it with our new friend here.
All right, guys, let's get into the install. So it's gonna be pretty simple. I've already gone ahead and removed one of these right here. So there's gonna be these push pins. You're gonna wanna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And once we do that, we have some here up top that we're gonna have to pop out, and then we're gonna get started on the install. Okay, so typically when you remove these, what you use is a little puller that kind of looks like this, and it goes right here, slides inside and pulls it down. I don't have one of those, so I'm gonna go the ghetto route, and I'm gonna be using a screwdriver. I'm just gonna pop it in there, pull it out a little bit, just like that, and then as it gets looser, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out with some pliers. I'm gonna do that for all of these guys. So it's gonna take me longer than it should, but I don't have that tool, so gotta make do. A 3 pounds of weight reduction, because as I removed this, a whole bunch of rocks and dirt fell out, and there was a lot of it. So 171,000 miles of gunk just came out of here. So what we have to do now is we have to pull it out from the top here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those bolts up there and get started on the top. Okay, so I take it back. We don't actually have to remove the nuts up here. All you have to do is you have to reach back here, and you just have to pull pretty tightly, and then the whole thing comes out. So I've pulled off about half of it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the rest, and it actually came out pretty simple. This is a pretty easy job. Oh, I actually just pulled it all off. So there's the old diffuser. There's a new one. So now the difference is that on the old one, it slides in here using those little attachments. The new one doesn't have those attachments. So the new one has these guys. So I got to figure out how to slide those guys in there. Okay, so I had to pull up all of these tabs right here. They're all pointing down, if you remember from before. And so once I pulled all of them up, I think I see how it goes. We're gonna have to slide each one of those tabs into here. And then what we do is, let's say for example, the tab that goes into here, it's gonna come out the other end, and we just have to bend it down. And that way the diffuser does not come out. I kind of believe it's not gonna be in there very strong this way. So I'm gonna see what I can do about adding some nuts and bolts somewhere to hold it down, but we'll see how it goes.
Got it. So as you can see, it's not, it's on, and we got it on. It's a little tricky because those parts that were sticking out, they didn't want to go all the way. As you can see, I don't know if you can see from this video, but they don't really go all the way through. However, it's on, and it looks a lot better now. We just have to figure out a way to kind of secure it. I think you guys can see how it looks a lot better.
Do you think that we should leave this part to be gloss black, or do you think that we should paint it silver gray to match the car. So what we can do is we can have this painted silver gray, it'll match the car, and then we'll keep this part carbon fiber. Or do you think it looks better if we just leave it all black with carbon fiber like this? I think it kind of gives it a little bit of a racier look, all black, but let me know what you guys think.